It's already week number 11, and yes, we're still celebrating Mechanical Keyboard Day 2021. So until this Sunday, we're giving away XPG's Summoner Mechanical Keyboard. The XPG Summoner is a mechanical gaming keyboard that comes with some premium features. First, the magnetic palm rest combined with the incrementally spaced keys allows for an ergonomic typing experience and offers thick, cozy padding. And there's also the high-quality aluminum volume roller in the upper right corner, which enables intuitive and quick volume adjustment. The excellent impression is rounded off by a grey frame made out of sandblasted aluminum. These are features that are otherwise almost only found in much more expensive models. But the high standards go even further, as XPG relies on durable ABS double-shot keycaps and includes some red interchangeable keycaps. There's also a USB pass-through on the back of the XPG Summoner, where you can connect your mouse or other peripherals, for example. And as you would expect from a true gaming keyboard, the Summoner offers 100% anti-ghosting and full N-key rollover. Speaking of keystrokes, macros and RGB effects can also be programmed flexibly and quickly for the Summoner. XPG provides the so-called Prime software for this purpose. Thanks to a tidy dashboard and an intuitive user interface, you can easily set everything according to your own wishes. The XPG Summoner is available with our MX RGB Speed Silver, Blue or Red switches, giving you a classic choice between linear and tactile switching characteristics with an audible click. This week, we're giving away 2 models with our MX Red switches. So if you want to win the XPG Summoner, head on over to our description where you'll find the link to the giveaway. But don't forget, entries are only valid from July 19 to the 25th. The best of luck to you folks and happy Mechanical Keyboard Day!